What's up, YouTubers? What's going on today? We've got an unboxing. I don't even know where to look. I got an unboxing. It's a Demolition V2 headset for my Fit Mac 3. I have a Demolition bottom bracket, which I love. I love Demolition parts, period. I love Demolition stickers. I love Dennis Harrison. He's sick. So I ordered the sticker pack and I ordered the V2 headset because mine's stock still, and I have the Demolition bottom bracket. So I want them to match. Alright, so let's do the unboxing of the V2 Demolition headset. And it comes in this, and let's see. Nothing's in there. Except for this. And I ordered, voila! But they threw in a red one too. So I got that white one and the red one. Which, a red Demolition sticker on my forks is going to look rad. And a white one on my frame is going to look even radder. With my new headset. Let's see what she looks like. Oh man. Look how pretty this is. Oh, it is beautiful. Okay, I got 2 aluminum spacers. 2 of those. My God, is that beautiful. Look at that cap. And then look, it actually has a rubber washer on the inside of it to keep water and shit from getting down in there. Oh, this is beautiful. Look how nice that's machined. Oh man, is that beautiful. Okay. So we get that. 2 extenders. 2 spacers. We have wow, this is such a difference. Look at these bearings. Oh my God. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh shit. It comes with this spacer. Oh, this is the coolest thing ever. This is to keep shit from getting in. If you ever flip your bike upside down and you look, you'll see. If you look in where your forks are, you can see your bearings here, because that presses up in there like that with your beveled end. And 418 California, 45 degrees by 45 degrees. But yeah, this looks like it's gonna be great, man. I can't wait to put everything on. But I'll let you see pictures of what I do with these sweet stickers. and I'll let you see pictures of a bike with the headset on the bike. So, YouTubers, thanks for watching. Pound that subscribe because I'm going to have a lot more unboxings. I just do what I can. I know that when I order something, I like to watch unboxing videos and review videos. Not much to review with Demolition. You know that anything you get from Demolition is going to be top of the line. So I'm not even going to do a review. I'll let you see it when it's on my bike and how smooth it spins, but I know for a fact it's good. So thanks everybody. I will be getting nothing else for the bike except for maybe I might put brakes on it, but I'm building a mountain bike. I found a carbon fiber Cannondale V400 and it's a badass. I'm gonna get that together and sell that so that I can get myself a nice mountain bike, a nice new mountain bike, probably a hardtail. But I'll get video on that Cannondale, and I'm getting into quadcopters. Yeah, drones. So I ordered a badass 5-inch FP first-person view quadcopter. So we'll see how it goes. But until we meet again, thank you very much. Hit subscribe and like. Thank you.